and I'm really excited for today's video because I'm going to be doing some sleeker hairstyles today. I feel like 95% of my hairstyles are fluffy and voluminous and they have some hair coming out and they're curled, they're braids that are pulled apart, and I do realize that that is trendy, but I also know that there is other sleeker styles that a lot of you probably wear. I want to give you guys some hairstyles to wear if your style is more sleek, so I hope you enjoy this video. Let's dive in. So for all the hairstyles today, I'm keeping them pretty simple because that's kind of what's neat about the sleek look, is that it's very minimal and sleek and just very simple to do. So these hairstyles are great when you're on the go and you want to do something quick in your hair. And by the way, I did straighten my hair. My hair is a little naturally wavy, but you can do this on your natural texture, and you could even do this if your hair is fluffy. I can imagine like some of the hairstyles being like slicked into a ponytail and then having like a fluffy ponytail. That is a look, so you don't have to straighten your hair if you don't want to. But anyways, for this first hairstyle, you're going to start by going from your ears to wherever you want your ponytail to sit. I'm going right on top of my head. And you don't have to go from your ears, you could also do from your temples. I just like from my ears to get like everything really slicked. And then just pull all your hair, smooth it all out. You're gonna pull it into an elastic. And then I'm going to be doing a wrap on the ponytail, so I'm going to be using a topsy tail tool, but you don't have to if you don't want to. You can always just pin the wrap in place. But to use the topsy tail tool, I'm going to go from the back and stick it into the elastic and pull it through. And then you're just going to grab a small piece of hair and then just wrap it around the base of the ponytail until you use the piece of hair up. Just find your topsy tail tool again and take the little bit of ends left from your wrap, stick it through the hole and pull it through. And that is it. I love this because it's still fun and kind of, I don't know, party-ish and just bouncy, but it is still very sleek and it's super easy to do on the go. Okay, so for hairstyle number 2, we're going to do a fun updo that's still slick, but I think it's just kind of more fun and youthful. So what you're going to do is start by making sure you have a part in the front, and you're going to smooth your hair down. And then I'm just going to grab a comb to make sure everything is extra smooth, and comb it all to the nape of your neck to make a pony back there. You could leave it like this if you wanted, but we're going to do a bun. So there's a lot of ways to make a bun here. You could make it very sleek. Well, obviously it's going to be sleek, but you could make it just like by itself, just wrap into a bun, pin it in place, and have just like a very minimal bun on the nape of your neck. Or you could make more of a statement out of it by adding a scrunchie, which I'm going to do. I really like adding a scrunchie because it keeps that sleek factor, but then it also makes it a little bit fun. So if you're like, if you feel like sleek is too just mature and serious, add a scrunchie and just make it a little more fun. You can also keep this as a low pony and just use the scrunchie on that. But I'm going to wrap my hair into a bun and then wrap the scrunchie around so it stays in place. And if you need to, you could add bobby pins before you add the scrunchie. Okay, so then the last thing I'm going to do, oftentimes when I do a low ponytail, little pieces around my face will fall. Now that's completely fine if you want to leave them, but I don't want any pieces coming out, so I'm just going to take these 2 snap clips and clip them near the bun. That way if there's any little pieces that want to come out, they won't. And there you go. It's fun, it's sleek. It could totally work if you're doing a sport, if you're doing ballet. It's just very versatile, very secure, and really cute. for this next hairstyle, it's very simple. I'm going to be starting with a slight side part, but you could do this on a middle part if you wanted to. Okay, so then the next step, all you're going to do is just sweep your hair over your ear so that way it's nice and slicked so that we can pin it in place. Now I'm going to be playing with the exposed bobby pin trend, and I painted these bobby pins with some white nail polish. So if you want to paint your bobby pins before doing this, you can, or you could just do some plain regular bobby pins. I have worn it both ways, but basically while keeping one hand to hold the hair back, just pin all the hair with your other hand. And there you go. It's simple, it's sleek, it's still fun. What more could you ask for from a hairstyle? Okay, so for this next one, we're going to do another updo. So I'm going to go back to that middle part, but you can do whatever part you want. And then you're just going to go from your ears to about the crown of your head, and this is going to be our first ponytail. So I'm just going to smooth everything out, and then just secure this hair with an elastic. And then I have some hairs falling out, so I'm just going to pull those back and pin them right next to the ponytail. So then all is left to do from here is to just make a bun. So I'm going to do a braided bun because it stays in place a lot better. So all you do is just split your hair into 3, braid it all the way down, secure it at the end with an elastic, and wrap it into a bun. Super easy. And then of course pin in place. So then lastly, we're just going to pull all the rest of the hair into a ponytail right under the first one, and then make a braid with this ponytail as well. And there you go. I ended up making the lower bun a little bit higher, that way it would look less dorky because it was looking a bit weird. But once you've pinned it all in place, that is it for this hairstyle. Okay, back to another half updo. This one is going to be braided. So all you're going to do is just take a section of hair from the front on one side, split it into 3, and just do a regular braid towards the back of your head. And then just temporarily secure your place and repeat that on the other side. From here, just pull both braids to the back and secure them with an elastic. And there you go. This is one of the simplest hairstyles you've probably ever done, but it's really pretty and just simple and cute and sleek. So for the last hairstyle, we're going to start by putting our hair into a really high, sleek pony. So basically how I did the ponytail, I just flipped my head over and did a lot of brushing, and I didn't really want to film it because then I have to move the whole camera angle, and just flip your head over, do a lot of brushing upside down, should work great. So then you're just going to back comb your hair like you've never back combed before. You want it to be super fluffy because we're gonna have the look where it's like sleek and like a huge pop star bun. And then once you've teased, just gently go over the top to smooth it over. That way it doesn't look super crazy. And then just twist and wrap it into a bun, pinning in place. And then I just had this little piece of hair that didn't want to go into the ponytail, so I'm going to pin that. So then I didn't do this for the rest of the hairstyles, but I'm going to be spraying my hair with some hairspray because I feel like this one especially, just you want to get it really slick. And there you go. That is it for the perfect, sleek pop star top knot. I hope you enjoyed that video. Click over here to subscribe and click over here to watch some more videos, and click down here if you want to see my other fitness channel. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments below which hairstyle was your favorite and what video would you like me to do next. Alright guys, bye!